this was literally just a hole in the ground. It looks like there's a house there again. So many people have written us and been so kind to share their own loss. People that have been through fires, people that have lost their home to flood, natural disasters, and just accidents like us.
Yep.
But everyone asks, how's the house coming along? Well, good.
It's coming along, but it's weird to see your house like not really your house.
Empty, right.
Empty with, white walls. And
John and I were discussing that somehow it was easier to just see it gone, and the hole in the ground that's our cellar is all that remained. It was kind of easier to take it not being there than to stand inside a frame and see everything white all around you. Because you then really notice
what's missing,
which is everything.
Yeah.
But there's a frame, and here's what it looks like today. Here's the outside, guys. Can you believe it? This was literally just a hole in the ground. It looks like there's a house there again. That's amazing. This is where we're at. It's framed out. It looks really weird. Look, there's a door. But it's coming along. So here's our bedroom. This is the wall where I heard the fire climbing through the wall. And last time I was here, there was literally no roof. Like nothing. The house was gone. So, I don't know. I have bad vibes about that wall. Very scared of that particular wall. At least you can see some bones. So basically the only reason we did this, it was a very, I won't say it was a fun day.
No.
We went up to visit Isabeau's grave. It was her birthday and our first without her. And we had to check on our house. And I don't think we're gonna go back till it's like done.
No, let's
Almost done.
Let's stay down here for a bit.
We're gonna stay down here. It was not fun. But we wanted to share it with you guys because you're so kind and you've shared so much with us in your thoughts and your prayers and your very beautiful, very open and honest letters. Thank you for letting us into your lives and trusting us. And we'll let you know when it's a lot closer there, because I don't think we're gonna go back immediately.